Now we are going to do this workout engages your core muscles and hand muscles. One, thigh tapping. Now let's go for the warm down. Warm down routine is important to bring our heart rate to normal, also blood pressure to the normal rate. Here we are doing butt raises to stretch our core muscles. Stretching the muscles after workout will help them relax and also ensures that they do not get cooled down rapidly. Remember, we always need to slow down the pulse. Sorry. Remember, we do not slow down the pulse rapidly. Let it go down slowly. As much as possible, do not push yourself. So just trying to relax here. Here we are stretching your back muscles and leg muscles. Okay, that is a wonderful session by Nitesh. Hope you all enjoyed it. And remember, please do not drink water immediately after the workout. Please take 5 minutes gap, let your blood pressure come to normal, heart rate come to normal, and remember, do not drink water when you are panting. Many have a tendency to drink water when they are panting. Let your breath get slow, then you have some water. When you are panting, there is always a possibility that the water might get into your lungs. So let your heart rate get normal. Next episode, we are going to come up with few more interesting workouts. Stay tuned. Thank you.